Turn off the printer and disconnect the power cord and data cables. Remove the media and ribbon. To remove the front panel, press on the detent button while sliding the panel off the hooks and out of the base. Loosen the two mounting screws about 1/4 inch or 7 millimeters. Remove the tear plate. Open the peel roller. Insert the peel assembly over the two screws and lift up. Tighten the mounting screws. Slide the lower front panel tabs onto the mounting slots. Snap it into place. Reinstall the media and ribbon. Open the peel assembly. Pull the media labels out about 12 inches or 300 millimeters. Peel the labels off the liner. Feed the liner into the peel assembly. Close the peel assembly. Reconnect the power cord and data cables. Turn on the printer. Set the printer to peel off mode. Press home on the display. Press OK. Press the right arrow 6 times to go to print mode. Press the down arrow once to go to peel mode. Press home twice. Press feed